Hi guys, Mr. Johnny here. In this video, it's gonna be a quick updatey kind of video, and at the same time, I'm gonna take a look inside this satellite set-top box and see what's wrong with it. Well, what's wrong with it, I can actually see it when I plug it in. Well, typical symptom of a bad capacitor, which I can actually see straight away without even taking the cover off. That capacitor that sticks out, maybe you'll be able to see it too if will give you the proper angle. Something like that. Maybe you can see the capacitor right there, which is domed. Cable, by the way, is patched. They obviously didn't have enough length, so they patched up, but the patch job is not too bad. At least it's wrapped around nicely. There's no bare wire sticking from it. Out of it, I mean. And in case you didn't notice previously, that's a capacitor to be replaced. Must be replaced. The other ones, it's also very good practice to replace those too, because well, the proper job will be to go and replace all, to tip over this tin, go and replace all the capacitors here, but I'm too cheap for that, plus I don't have this one, and maybe some values here are missing in my box, so I'm gonna replace really bad ones, and the ones which are starting to go bad. ESR meter. Judging from the cleanliness of the board, I doubt that there were any repairs beforehand. Plus all of the capacitors are the same, matching brands and types. And what's updated about this video? Well, I will upload a video, one more, about that shunting voltage regulator, to show you how I actually implemented the little circuit board that goes inside the case. And that will be I have 2 more shifts to go to the job, and then I'm gonna have 4 days off, and hopefully, if I ain't gonna be too busy doing some other stuff, of which I have plenty, I will be able to make that video. Because currently I'm actually waiting for parts, because being the idiot I am, I messed up the pinout a little bit, and well, the thing was working beautifully, but I fried it. To sum it up, all those marked have to go. Okay, capacitors changed. This one, these two are not new, but that's only what I have on hand of that value, unfortunately. Quite common value, 1000 microfarad, 16 volts, but you know what, I don't have it. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Good enough, I'm gonna say. So that's that. Thanks for watching. See ya.